We're diving into the top 5 budgeting apps for 2025 that can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Managing your money has never been easier, thanks to a variety of budgeting apps designed to fit different needs and lifestyles. Let's explore the best options available this year. First up is YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. YNAB uses a proactive approach to budgeting, encouraging users to assign every dollar a job. This method promotes mindful spending and effective financial planning. While YNAB offers a robust set of features, it comes with a subscription fee of $109 per year. Despite the cost, many users find its comprehensive tools and educational resources worth the investment. Next, we have Mint, a free budgeting app that has been a favorite for many years. Mint automatically categorizes your transactions, tracks your spending, and provides insights into your financial habits. With features like bill reminders and credit score monitoring, Mint offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help you stay on top of your finances without any cost. PocketGuard is designed for those who want a simple way to manage their spending. By linking your accounts, PocketGuard shows you how much disposable income you have after accounting for bills, goals, and necessities. Its In My Pocket feature provides a clear picture of your available funds, helping you avoid overspending and stay within your budget. Goodbudget brings the envelope budgeting method into the digital age. Allocate portions of your income into virtual envelopes designated for different expenses, making it easy to manage your spending. While it doesn't sync with your bank accounts, this manual approach can increase awareness and control over your financial habits. EveryDollar, developed by financial expert Dave Ramsey, uses a zero-based budgeting approach, ensuring every dollar is allocated to an expense or savings goal. The free version allows for manual expense tracking, while the paid version offers bank synchronization for a more streamlined experience. Each of these budgeting apps offers unique features tailored to different budgeting styles and preferences. Whether you're looking for a hands-on approach or automated tracking, there's an app here to help you manage your finances effectively in 2025. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and tutorials. Share your favorite budgeting apps in the comments below.